Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Moore from Georgetown High School. I am an 11th grade English teacher, and I will be working with you this week learning main ideas. Before we go any further, I have a special announcement. I would like to let you all know that if you keep up with your assignments and email me your answers to aandrews at rvaschools.net, I will mail you a special prize to the first person who I receive the email from. Okay? So, what you need to do is to go ahead and get a piece of paper and a pen or ink pen so we can get started. I will give you a few moments. So, today is day one, and we'll be going over main idea and supporting details. Again, here's the special announcement for you guys. The first person to email me all of your answers by Thursday evening will receive a prize in the mail. My email address is aandrews at rvaschools.net. So take a moment and write my email down so you can send me your work. Okay, let's get started. The SOL we're covering this week is SOL 8.6. The student will read, comprehend, and analyze a variety of nonfiction and fictional texts to identify the main idea. So every day we will start out with a daily snapshot. Today, your snapshot is what is main idea? So write snapshot and answer the question. I'll give you a moment to do so. Again, what is main idea? All right, time's up. I hope that you have it. We're going to go over the answer in a moment. This is National Poetry Month. So every day this week, we will go over a daily poem. Then we'll do a main idea daily activity and have an exit ticket, which will be your homework. Yes, that's right, homework. So let's go over the poem. I will share that with you at this time. It says, I Like School by Leonore Hedrick. I like to hear the school bell ring and see the children get in line. Then we go marching past the teacher and pass so straight and tall and fine. I like to sing the morning songs and give the pledge to our dear flag. There are so many things I like that time I find can never lag. Well, I hope you enjoyed the poem. So let's continue with today's lesson. So, this is what you need to write for your notes. Main idea. Every story or paragraph has a main idea. The main idea tells you what the story is about. The main idea may be the lesson learned or moral of the story. The main idea is the most important part of the story or paragraph. You may also have heard it mentioned as being called the central idea. So, main idea, central idea is the same thing. Again, every story or paragraph has a main idea. The main idea tells what the story is about. I'll give you a few moments to write that. Okay, let's move on. Here's some additional information that will help you locate the main or central idea in the passage. Supporting details. The supporting details are the things that describe the main idea. These supporting details make the main idea stronger. I'll give you a few moments to write this information down as well. Okay, it's time to practice. Read the passage and choose the main idea. I will read the passage aloud for you. Niagara Falls is one of the most beautiful sights in North America. It is on the Niagara River, halfway between Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. Niagara Falls is located on the American and Canadian border. The American Falls is 167 feet high on the Canadian side. The Horseshoe Falls is 161 feet high. What's the main idea? What's the main idea of the passage? Remember, main idea is what the story is about. I'll give you a few moments to write your answer before I reveal to you the correct answer. Here's the answer. I know you got it right. Niagara Falls is one of the most beautiful sights in North America. Congratulations if you chose the correct answer. Here's another practice one for you. Choose the main idea of this passage. The Statue of Liberty is visited by thousands of people every year. The Statue of Liberty is a 151-foot statue of a woman holding a book and a torch. It was a perfect gift of friendship from the people of France. It has become the universal symbol for freedom. What is the main idea of this passage? What was the passage about? I need you to answer those two questions. Let's review your answers. The Statue of Liberty. That's the main idea. How are you doing? You ready to move forward? I think you are. Find the supporting details in this passage. The Erie Canal changed the way people moved goods in the 1800s. The 600, I'm sorry, the 363-mile canal connected Albany, New York to Lake Erie in Buffalo for the first time. When the canal opened in 1825, building supplies and goods could be transported quickly and cheaply across New York State. Canal boats pulled by mules carried people and supplies across New York. I'll give you a few moments to review the passage again. All right, let's see if you found the supporting details. The main idea was Lake Erie changed the way people move goods. What are the supporting details of this passage? Remember, supporting details describe the main idea. Here's the answers. 1. The 363-mile canal connected Albany and New York for the first time. 2. The canal boats pulled by mules carried people and supplies across New York State. And 3. The canal made a way for goods to be transported cheaply and quickly. Let's review our lesson for today. Our stories would not make sense if they did not include a main idea with supporting details. You will need to be able to select the main idea and the supporting details from everything you read. Again, if you have questions, please feel free to email me at aandrews@rvaschools.net. Here's your exit ticket, which is your homework. It's entitled Parent Hotline. Ask your parents over dinner, what do they know about main idea? Again, ask your parents over dinner tonight, what do they know about main idea? I hope you learned what main idea was about today and enjoyed the lesson. I look forward to working with you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.